Hi everyone, this is Brody Sutherland of Talk Van Ventures. I want to provide an update and some context to our latest drill results that we've received from Pilar. Drilling is ongoing. We're now on our 20th drill hole, drilled over 2,200 meters. More results are pending. New samples are going to the lab on a weekly basis, and it's an exciting time because with the first results that we received, we've hit two of the best holes ever outside of the main zone, and this is going to add significant resource potential for us as we move forward. And with that, I just wanted to add some context of why that's important to us. So historically, we focused on the area of the main zone, highlighted here in the box, and a lot of our key hits have come from that main zone corridor. These two hits are now parallel to that, right adjacent. So it's not an exaggeration to see that starting to tie together. And what's significant again is these are the best hits that we've ever hit outside of the main zone, showing us that there's much more potential beyond that. And then we have our placer development that's leading us to the east, where recent surface sampling has shown that there's definitely mineralization beyond Pilar. Also, another area to the further to the east here that has never been evaluated. Great potential there, and then way off to the north, where early sampling has hit great gold and silver values over a sizable alteration footprint. So tons of upside potential for us as we move forward. Zooming in on Pilar, here's our main zone. Some of our best hits in the heart of that main zone highlighted here. 117 meters of 1.2 grams per ton gold. This corridor extends to the northwest. It extends to the northeast. We've got great surface mineralization right outside of the known Pilar system. That's indicating that things continue in that direction. And on the North Hill trend, we hit in mineralization a couple of years ago in a couple holes down here. Now with this significant hit 500 meters away, it really opens up this trend to start to develop and add to our resource base there. And then again at 4T, same thing. There's something quite significant going on this trend. We'll be testing it to the southeast and to the north as we go. Great surface mineralization there. And then when we look at the bigger picture, what is our overall scale that we're looking at? The placer development is really showing us that there's much more going on to the east, and we're really just starting to evaluate it. These samples were the first ones ever taken in that area, and then you step even further east and you've got this big area, never been looked at, never been evaluated, tons of potential. So we really, what we're focusing on is building towards a maiden resource estimate. We want to move that towards 500,000 ounces of oxide. We think we can do that easily within our Pilar area, the original one that we've been focused on here. Now we want to start to expand on that as we go. And when you look at the expansion area, there's very easily you can start to tie these trends together and look at potential for multi-million ounce. And that's really what we're looking to do for the long-term longevity of this project. So please stay tuned. We'll have more updates as we go. Thank you.